There are many different services out there that allow you to store documents in the cloud or online. iCloud is the Apple answer to it, OneDrive is the Microsoft answer to it, and Google's answer is called Google Drive. Now you can store any type of document you want on Google Drive. We'll talk about size limitations in just a minute or so, but Google Drive comes with tools to work with text, meaning Microsoft Word-like documents, spreadsheets, meaning Microsoft Excel-like documents, presentations, meaning Microsoft PowerPoint type documents, and it also has the ability to create forms online that will write in real time to an Excel database, which is a very cool tool to work with, and we'll talk about that in later lessons. At its most basic, Google Drive is useful for backing up documents, and you can access these documents from any device that you have Google Drive installed on, any tablet, any phone, and they can be either Android or Apple. If you are working with tablets and phones, you'll also want to download the free QuickOffice as well to work with these documents, because Google Drive and QuickOffice play very well together. Now you can do more than just back up documents. If you enable sharing options on those documents, they can become collaborative documents that you can share with other people and either allow them to view the document, edit the document, or make comments on the document. You can post online forms via Google Drive, which I talked about a few seconds ago, and capture that data on an online Excel sheet. And there are also many apps and many add-ins to greatly increase the functionality of Google Drive. Let's talk about the limitations that Google Drive imposes on you when you're storing documents on there. It supports many different formats, all Microsoft Office formats, including Office 07 and later, where the extension ends in an X, like .docx or .pptx, supports PDF, supports most image formats like JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, and the native Photoshop format of .psd, supports most video like MPEG-4, AVIs, Windows Media, QuickTime, which has the .mov extension, and Flash, which is the .flv extension. If you don't choose the convert option, in other words, if you don't convert your files to a Google type format, you can upload any document to Google. It doesn't matter what format it's in. As far as file size limitations, your overall storage limit, at least in the free version of Google Drive, is 15 gigabytes. Now, the individual document formats have sort of ever-changing limits on how big a document you can upload. Generally, they are between 50 and 100 megabytes. I would just try it and see if it works. And if you convert the document to Google Drive format, such as Word documents converted to Google Word documents, it doesn't count towards that 15 gigabyte limit at all. And there is an amazingly large 5 terabyte limit on any given document that you are converting to Google Drive.